You want to quit the 9 to 5 and work from a beautiful European city? It's a dream, but with so many incredible places, where do you even start? Well, you can start right here because I'm going to give you the lowdown on the 10 best places to be a digital nomad in Europe. We're talking fast internet, low cost of living, and an amazing lifestyle. So sit back, relax, and get ready to trade in that cubicle for a cafe with a view. First up, let's talk about a real hotspot that's been on the radar for years: Lisbon, Portugal. This city is basically the unofficial capital for digital nomads, and for a laundry list of good reasons. It's got a thriving tech scene, with co-working spaces popping up everywhere you look, and the internet is lightning fast, so you never have to worry about a choppy video call. Plus, you can't beat the lifestyle. The weather is fantastic, the food is incredible, we're talking fresh seafood and amazing pastries, and the culture is vibrant. And it's all for a reasonable price, especially when you compare it to other Western European capitals like Paris or London. The Portuguese government has even made it easier with a special visa program just for remote workers, which means less red tape and more time enjoying the beautiful beaches and historic neighborhoods. Next, we're heading east to Budapest, Hungary. If you're looking to save some serious money without sacrificing a cool, cosmopolitan vibe, this is the place. Budapest has a cost of living that's much cheaper than its Western neighbors, allowing your income to go so much further. But don't let the price tag fool you, because it's a city packed with history, from the stunning architecture of the Parliament building to the unique thermal baths that are perfect for a post-work soak. The work-friendly cafes are everywhere, with super strong Wi-Fi, and the public transportation system is top-notch. You get the best of both worlds here: an affordable price and a lively, beautiful city. Now, let's go a little further north to Tallinn, Estonia. This place is a pioneer in digital infrastructure. They have an e-residency program that makes it incredibly simple to run your business remotely, almost like you're local. The internet here is so good it'll blow your mind. You can literally find a super strong connection in a cafe in the middle of the medieval old town. It's this incredible mix of historic charm and cutting-edge tech. The government is all about supporting digital innovation, which creates a fantastic network for collaboration and networking. Just be ready for some cold winters. But the opportunities for working alongside other tech innovators will definitely keep you warm. Let's soak up some Mediterranean sun in Valencia, Spain. If you want that full-on Mediterranean experience without the insane crowds and high prices of places like Barcelona, Valencia is a perfect alternative. It's a great mix of historic charm and modern amenities. The city is famous for its Torria Gardens, a massive urban park built on a former riverbed, where you'll see digital nomads commuting on bikes, jogging, or just enjoying the day. The food is to die for. It's the birthplace of paella. After all, the cost of living is affordable, and you're a quick train ride away from Madrid or Barcelona if you need a weekend getaway. The city offers a balanced lifestyle that's hard to beat. Switching gears, let's head to the Balkans and talk about Split, Croatia. Picture this: finishing your workday and looking out your window at a stunning view of the Adriatic Sea. Then, you head out for a coffee break in Diocletian's Palace, a real Roman ruin that's now the city's heart. This could be your life in Split. It's a city that perfectly balances ancient history with modern conveniences. They've even got their own digital nomad visa to make your stay hassle-free. The cost of living is low, the weather is great, and you'll never get tired of the scenery. It's a paradise for anyone who loves the outdoors, with easy access to incredible islands and national parks. Up next, we're going to Athens, Greece. The birthplace of democracy is having a major comeback. The city is undergoing a huge transformation, with tons of new tech hubs and co-working spaces popping up in trendy neighborhoods. The government is even offering tax incentives to attract remote workers, making it a very attractive option. It's a city with thousands of years of history right outside your door, from the Acropolis to the ancient Agora, and you're just a short ferry ride away from some of the most beautiful islands in the world. All this comes with a surprisingly fair cost of living compared to other major European capitals. Let's pop over to Krakow, Poland. Poland's second largest city is a great option, especially if you're on a budget. You'll find a magical old town that looks like something out of a fairy tale, a rich history, and a vibrant nightlife scene. It's one of the cheapest cities in Europe, so your money will go a lot further here. You'll find plenty of co-working spaces and a lively community of other remote workers. It's an ideal place if you want to immerse yourself in Eastern European culture and make your savings last. Just like Tallinn, though, the winters can be a bit chilly, but the beautiful architecture and cozy cafes make it well worth it. Now, how about the island life? Malta is a fantastic choice. This tiny island nation has a warm Mediterranean climate year-round, beautiful beaches, and English is one of the official languages, which makes settling in a breeze. Malta offers a nomad residence permit that lets you stay for up to 3 years, so you can really get comfortable. The historic capital, Valletta, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a hub of culture, with a growing number of cafes and co-working spaces. It's perfect for anyone who loves the sun, the sea, and a laid-back lifestyle. Let's not forget Berlin, Germany. If you're a creative or an entrepreneur, Berlin is where you need to be. It's a huge hub for freelancers and startups. The city has a vibrant, artsy, and alternative vibe, with an endless supply of cool neighborhoods, incredible nightlife, and a diverse expat community. While it's more expensive than some of the other cities on this list, it's still relatively affordable for a major Western European capital, and the opportunities for networking and collaboration are second to none. It's a city that truly inspires creativity. Finally, we're landing in Tbilisi, Georgia. It may not be the first place that comes to mind, but this hidden gem is a real favorite among digital nomads. It's one of the most affordable cities in all of Europe, with a low cost of living and a huge number of cafes and co-working spaces. The city is nestled between the Caucasus Mountains, offering a stunning blend of old and new architecture. It's got a warm and welcoming vibe, and the internet is fast and reliable. Tbilisi is a great place to settle in if you want a destination that is truly unique, without breaking the bank. So there you have it, 10 incredible places to be a digital nomad in Europe. From the sunny beaches of Malta to the historic streets of Krakow and Budapest, there's a perfect spot for every remote worker. What are you waiting for? Start packing.